What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you my affiliate marketing average income. So first, just let me check for comments and we are ready to go. So let me show you, this is my affiliate dashboard for this product. So I promote high ticket products. So affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and you can go to affiliate marketplaces such as clickbank.com, dstore24, share a sale, JBSU, or amazon.com and promote products from those websites. And once you have your affiliate links, and if someone buys from any of those links, you can make a commission. So that is basically affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is making commissions when we make a sales. So let me show you, these are my affiliate links, and I have here a variety of links. For example, the default, the checkout, we have the 72-hour challenge, video sales letter, the opt-in page, and a free 7-part course. But I mainly use this one, the 72-hour challenge opt-in page. So check this out. If I go to my latest payments, you can see that sometimes I make like $872, sometimes I make $58, $62, and in average from all of these payments, it's like $200 per month. So I'm going to show you the strategy that I'm going to use to increase that number. So check this out. This is the high ticket product that I promote, Freedom Accelerator, and here I have been studying phase number 3, increase conversion. So which is basically increase the sales. So this lesson, creating an irresistible bonus offer. So what I'm going to do is that, so I have collected emails. So I have been growing my own email list. So check this out. I have like many lists, but inside of this get response account, I have 1,451 emails or leads. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send my own offer to these people. Basically, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a free course, and it's going to be like a step-by-step tutorial on how to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. So my YouTube channel, my English YouTube channel, has 1,370 subscribers, and my Spanish channel, let me show you because I have another channel. So this channel has 1,000 subscribers, my Spanish YouTube channel. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a course, a free course. So here in the membership area, I can click here and click on products. So I need to like learn this stuff because I'm going to create a free course. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create my own offer in which I'm going to tell people, hey, if you buy the 72-hour challenge, which is this product, the price is $9. I'm going to tell my email list that if you buy the 72-hour challenge, I'm going to give you access to my free course on how to get to 1,000 subscribers for YouTube. So here, create a product, and I'm going to learn all of this stuff. Create a product and then start from scratch. We have here spring course, membership, marathon course, and build your custom product that matches your content. Short courses to build gateway to membership. So let me click on this one, build your own. This is going to be like my 1,000 subs blueprint, something like that. I'm going to create the product right now, guys. So I'm going to record the videos later, and here I have the details, customize offers, comments. So I have a blank post. So I can edit, and I can, if I click here, I can select the video on my computer, and I can write a title, for example, secret strategy to gain subscribers. So something like that. It's going to be in here. I can save this if I want. And as you can see, so I have been using the software Funnel Freedom to promote multiple products, but I'm going to use it as well to create this free course. So I can publish. Let me click on here on details. I can upload a thumbnail if I want. So as you can see, so this is a complete software that we can utilize, for example, to do the email marketing, build automation workflows, build funnels, and right now I'm testing the memberships area. So I have like a lot of videos talking about this stuff on Freedom, in which I have all my affiliate links for different products that I'm promoting. I have connected as well this software Funnel Freedom with my social media channels, such as TikTok account, my Instagram, and my Facebook page, but I'm going to use it as well to create my own free course. And check this out, I can create, for example, groups. I can have my own community, I can create groups, and this is kind of new, the certificates. So check this out. So I'm going to click on this one, so you can see how it looks like, a course inside of the membership area. So we have so this is like the category and all the lessons, the introduction, the blueprint, lesson number 3 and 4, and so on. And I can utilize the software to build this free course. And I'm going to do that, guys, to create this blueprint, and I'm going to create my own offer to see if I can increase the conversion. So I'm going to give value to my email list, because they only need to take action on buying the $9 72-hour challenge course. And I'm going to give all the people who buy the 72-hour challenge, I'm going to give free access to those people. So check this out, creating an irresistible bonus offer, create your dip. So here is all the things that I'm going to utilize to increase my conversions, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.